Hello everyone and welcome to this new petit cooking video. Today we are going to learn how to make flatbread with garlic and rosemary. This is a simple recipe and doesn't require a lot of ingredients. To make approximately 8 little breads, you will need 1 cup or 150 grams of all-purpose flour, half a cup and 1 tablespoon or 150 grams of 0% Greek yogurt lactose free, a teaspoon of water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally a pinch of salt. Mix everything with a fork, and when the dough starts to take shape, use your hands to shape it into a ball. Let the dough rest in a ball covered with a cloth for around 20 minutes. After that, remove the cloth from the bowl and take the dough and cut it in 8 different pieces. With the 8 pieces of dough, form 8 small little balls. For each small ball, you form a small cavity in the middle where you will add a pinch of rosemary and a pinch of garlic powder. After that, you reform the balls. Now it's time to give the final form to our flatbreads, and for that we will use a rolling pin. To avoid that the dough sticks to the rolling pin, place a parchment paper between the dough and the rolling pin. If you see that the dough starts sticking to the work surface, don't hesitate to add more flour on it. After that, you place your small breads onto a plate, and don't forget to add some parchment paper in between. After that, add a half of teaspoon of rosemary onto the little breads, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, finally you brush onto the breads with half a tablespoon of olive oil. Bake everything in the oven at 475 Fahrenheit or 245 degrees Celsius for about 8 minutes. When the breads are baked, remove them from the oven and wait for about 5 minutes before eating them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to our channel and leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. See you next time and bon appétit.